Hello, Ms. Salvatore. I'm Svetlana Yan, and this is my persuasive speech, and this is for Limestone College. Hello, everybody. I'm your accountant, Svetlana Yan, and today I want to talk to you about very important issue. We are losing our customers. Every day, somebody is filing claims, but this is not the worst part. The worst part is that for the past 2 weeks, we had 3 extremely unhappy customers, very disappointed customers. Let's just look at some numbers, what it actually means for our business. Last year, our company, according to our records, 43.5% of our business came from repeat customers, customer referral, and Angie's List, which is organized version of customer referral. So we got this much business, 43.5% from repeat customers and customer referral, and 57. The rest of 57% is coming from our internet advertising, top listing in the internet, top listing in phone books, and everything else. We have many sources of advertising. And all this advertising is targeting new customers. Let's look at the cost now. Last year, we spent this much, see this little green sector, this much for Angie's List. Of course, we didn't pay anything for customer referral and repeat customers. We just gave them good quality of service. And we paid all this for everything else. All this was spent to attain new customers. It's much more expensive to attain new customers than to keep old ones. Now let's look at what happens if just one job goes wrong. Just one job. Everybody remembers Miss Karen. She moved with Easy Movers many times. What I could track in our records is that she moved with Easy Movers 3 times only for the past 3 years. Yielding total revenue, she gave us total revenue $6,000. One job, last job went wrong. We paid $1,500 on claim. After that, she moved again, because if you remember, her house was flooded. She moved again, and estimated amount she paid on that move was around $5,000. She didn't use our company, she used somebody else, so we lost that revenue. And according to her relocation frequency, we continue losing about $2,000 a year. So this is our up-to-date loss. This is our revenue, this is the loss. Now let's imagine that Miss Karen is an active member of Facebook or Twitter. How many people she shared her experience with? We don't know this. According to Census Bureau, relocation frequency in Charlotte is, relocation rate in Charlotte is 11.5%, which means that in 2010, 200,000 people are going to relocate to move in Charlotte area. How many people out of these 200,000 will never give us a chance? We don't know. And this is just one job that went wrong. And we had 3 of them for the past 2 weeks. We really have to take serious measures to improve quality of our service. And this is what I suggest. First of all, we need to find out exactly what needs to be improved. We have customer satisfaction form, but there are just 2 questions in that form. We need to add some more questions that would reflect other aspects of our service. For example, did the crew arrive in time? If not, was the waiting time acceptable? Was the estimation correct? If not, was the difference acceptable? Then, was the furniture well protected and padded? Was the truck loaded efficiently? I'm pretty sure that all of you can add some more questions to this. I would even give customers $5 off their bill for honest feedback, but we would get very valuable information about what exactly needs to be done, what exactly needs to be changed. Once we know this, We need to brainstorm for ideas how we can do it. We have a fantastic office team. We are the best. Just look at us. We can find the ways to improve it. And of course, the most important to ask drivers and helpers their suggestions, because they are working with the customers. They represent our company in customers' eyes. Let's ask our successful drivers that have good words of gratitude, so many words of gratitude from our customers. Let's ask them to share their experience. And when they give their suggestions, they will have no choice. They will have to do it to improve the quality of service. And now I just want to know what all of you think about it and how we can make it work. Thank you.
Yay.
Was that? Very good.